Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to bump start or roll start a BMW specifically. This is a 2006 330xi, the E90 generation. All you need to do this is your car needs to be a manual transmission, as well as it needs to have a little bit of battery to be able to get into accessory mode, or the mode right before you turn it on and the engine turns over and everything. This is something that you can do if your starter goes out or something along those lines. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the car into third gear, and then you're going to want to get it rolling about 10-15 miles an hour. So you can either do this by sitting on a hill, or if you have a couple buddies, you can push in a parking lot. So when you're ready to try the bump start, you're going to want to push the start button once, and then twice. So it goes into this mode right here, right before it starts. Now, if I were to push the clutch and push the start button in, it would start up. But let's pretend my starter's dead. So I'm going to put into third gear down here. I'm going to start rolling. Once I get around 10 miles an hour, I let the clutch out to the biting point. And there we go. We're started now.